We're going to start with this simple question which only has one correct answer. So to set that answer as correct, we're going to go to the add-ins menu, the clicker pad menu and the slide editor. Once the slide editor has loaded, we're going to go to quiz settings. There are 3 columns here. The answers are in the middle column, the score in the right column, and in order to set number 3 Germany as correct, we're going to click the box so it's green, and when we've done that you'll see that the score has changed itself to 1. Once you've done that, we're going to save and go. In this next question, however, there are 2 correct answers, but it's still one question. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the slide editor when that loads, and down here there is a box next to number of responses, and we're going to change that to 2, which means that after they voted once, they're going to get a second vote. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go to quiz setting and set these bottom 2 as the correct answers. And again, you'll see the answers are in the middle box and they're the same as the answers on the screen. And once you've clicked to make the box green, it changes the score to 1. Once you've done that, save and go. I'm now going to demonstrate what it will look like when you run the presentation. So we're going to start the presentation. This is the vote that only has one answer. So using my keypads, I'm going to input the different answers. And as soon as the keypads went in, or entered their number, once they'd all registered, it moved on because there was only one answer to that question. But in this next question, you'll see that rather than just having a count, it says first selection. So I'm going to have all my keypads vote like that, and now they've all voted, it's moved to second selection. So it's going to vote again. Okay, the graph that you see now is the combination of the 2 rounds of votings that have just happened. Now I'm going to show you how to export data to Excel. So you're going to go to the add-ins menu, the clicker pad menu, voting and results, view export data to Excel. Now, as you can see here, if you go to results by keypad, it will show you which one of the keypads got each question right. And you'll also notice that question 1 only has 1 column, whereas question 2 has 2 iterations. So it shows you what they pressed. So the top one pressed 1 on the first round of voting and then 4 on the second round, and 4 was correct. Once you're happy with that, you can export the document, you can export this, to an Excel spreadsheet. This will take some time. So it's going to ask you to save it, and it's going to use the presentation name. Then you can just click save. And it will show you the same thing you have, or you saw when you were when it was showing what it would look like. And here again you have the results by keypad, so you can see who said what and whether it was correct or not. I hope this has been able to answer the questions that you have. If it doesn't, or you still need more help, please contact support@clickerpad.com.